Welcome to the Total Super Yacht Setup video. This video is designed to show you how to set up your system specific to your vessel. First, let's have a look at how to navigate the system after logging in. Clicking the chevron in the upper left corner will open and close the navigation panel. Once open, simply clicking a tab will open that page. Tabs that have associated sub-tabs are identified with a drop-down icon in the right-hand corner. All the tabs that are related to the setup process are made visible by clicking the drop-down icon in the top tab. You will notice that tabs that are part of the same group are color-coded for easy reference. Let us start by selecting the Yacht Profile page. This is where all the vessel particulars are located. Once open, you can see and enter all relevant information specific to your vessel. This data is used throughout the system, eliminating the need to re-enter the same data repeatedly. Once all the information has been entered or changed, select the Update button to save the changes. The Departments page allows you to create vessel-specific departments. The system comes pre-populated with many departments that can be easily edited, deleted, or made inactive, with the status being displayed in the status column. To add a new department to the system, click here. It is important to note that as a failsafe, departments that have checklists assigned to it are not able to be deleted. The Categories page is important because all checklists and equipment are assigned to categories. Checklist categories make finding a checklist on the iPad app easy, while for the engineers, the equipment categories allows equipment to be grouped together in the equipment list. The system also comes pre-populated with many categories. Any categories that are not relevant to the vessel can be easily deleted or made inactive. By selecting the checkboxes, you can assign the category to multiple departments. Clicking the Add New Category link allows you to add a category to the system. It is important to note that as a failsafe, categories that have checklists assigned to it are not able to be deleted. The Positions page allows you to create vessel-specific position names that crew members can be linked to. On the Decks page, you can use the pre-populated deck names or delete these and create custom deck names specific to your vessel. These names are used throughout the system to identify the location of tasks and faults. The Users page is where you add crew members to the system. Clicking on the Add New User button allows you to enter their details as well as identify the level of access they will have. We discussed the process of adding a user and setting up a crew profile in more detail in the Add a New User tutorial video. The Work Lists page allows you to create specific work lists so that tasks can be easily grouped together. Multiple departments may use a work list by the same name by selecting the relevant departments. Clicking the Add New Worklist button will allow you to add a work list to the system. To complete the setup process, we will have a look at the All Checklists page. The All Checklists page houses all the checklists that have been created for the vessel. There are 4 sections to the page. It is important to note that if you do not have an ISM system, the ISM features will not display. The Published Checklists section is where all the published checklists are located. They are divided into ISM and general lists. The Emergency Checklist section, where checklists that are identified as emergency-related are located once published. This allows the checklist to be accessed quickly on the iPad in the event of an emergency. The Draft Checklist section, where all checklists that are in the creation process are located before they are published, allowing them to be reviewed and edited prior to publishing. Their status will be either draft or in review, and they are divided into ISM and general lists. And the Add Checklist section, where a checklist is created. It is important to note that a checklist needs to be published for it to be visible on the iPad app. We look at the process of creating a checklist in more detail in the Creating a Checklist tutorial video. For assistance with the setup of your system, or if you would like a tutorial session, please contact us at support@superyachtos.com.